Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to become a CNFans affiliate and start earning commissions step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official CNFans website. Make sure you log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, search for any product by typing it into the search bar. Then click Submit. From the results, choose a product and click on it. On the product page, select Affiliate Share. You can now share this affiliate link with others, and when they purchase through your link, you can earn a commission. Another way to get your affiliate link is by going back to the homepage and clicking on your profile. From there, select My Account, then click on Affiliate. You'll see your exclusive referral link. Copy it and share it with your friends. When they visit the link and register, they'll become your exclusive users. CNFans promoters can earn different monthly bonuses depending on their promoter level and the bonus ratios of ongoing promotions. Once you become a CNFans promoter, your account automatically starts with a 3% commission rate. The more users you invite, especially those using international logistics and freight services, the more bonuses you can earn and the higher your commission rate can go. When your bonus reaches the required amount, you can apply for a withdrawal or use it to offset service fees on the CNFans platform. And that's how you become a CNFans affiliate and start earning rewards.